It's Nakamura when he was 8 years old. He had a defined jawline and a beautiful face. After only 2 years, his jawline started losing definition. His teeth started becoming misaligned. A few more years passed. Over time, his lower jaw moved backward, and his teeth and jawline became crooked. His confidence reached its lowest point. A few more years passed. Nakamura grew up and got a crush on Jamie. His days became a little better because he started daydreaming about her. But that happiness didn't last long. One day he found out Jamie had a boyfriend. When he saw her with him, he couldn't help but compare himself to her boyfriend. Watching her boyfriend's sharp jawline, perfect teeth, and hollow cheeks, he completely lost it. He decided, enough is enough. I am gonna fix my life. This time he was serious and determined. He started researching about genetics, facial aesthetics, jawline, hollow cheeks, and ways of reducing a double chin and fixing his crooked teeth. After hours and days of research, he finally came up with a proper 3-step plan that gave him a sharp jawline, reduced his double chin, fixed his crooked teeth, and overall made him so attractive and confident that it saved his bloodline. Here is his 3-step plan that can save your life too. Step 1. What even is a jawline? First, sutures. They are the cracks in your skull. As you grow up, sutures help your bones grow evenly. Luckily, you have a suture on the roof of your mouth. You can check it out with your tongue. If you don't find one, don't tell anyone. You will get kidnapped and used for science experiments. Sutures help your bones grow evenly. If you properly keep pressure on the roof of your mouth with your tongue, your maxilla will move upward and forward. Your whole facial structure will change. This theory isn't mine, it's called orthotropics. You can take orthodontic treatments to fix your crooked teeth and uplift your maxilla. However, it comes with a few troubles. It's expensive. It will fix your problem, but not the main cause, which is not maintaining proper tongue posture. Thus, even if you take orthodontic treatments, with time your face will become crooked again. If you want to permanently fix this problem, you have to learn how to rest your tongue correctly in your mouth so that your tongue properly keeps pressure on the sutures. I will teach you how to hold proper tongue posture in the next part of Nakamura's 3-step plan. Second, the masseter muscle. It's one of the main 2 muscles that visibly affects your jawline. If you want a more attractive face and a defined jawline, you have to focus on increasing the size of your masseter muscle. If you increase the size of your masseter muscle, your jawline will look sharper, stronger, and more defined. Third, the buccinator muscle. It plays a big role in how your face looks. The buccinator muscle keeps your cheeks pressed against your teeth. Crooked teeth and puffy cheeks are often linked to this muscle. If you understand the concept of buccinator equilibrium, you can fix both crooked teeth and puffy cheeks. Look at this picture carefully. Those are the buccinator muscles. They are always putting a small amount of force on your teeth from the outside. Even though the force is tiny, over time your teeth slowly starts moving inward because of it. That's how misaligned teeth can happen. To balance this, you have your tongue. Your tongue pushes the teeth outward from the inside of your mouth. When your teeth gets equal force both from the outside and the inside of your mouth, they reach an equilibrium. It's called the buccinator equilibrium. The important part of the buccinator equilibrium is being able to keep your tongue posture correctly inside your mouth. If you don't keep your tongue posture correctly inside your mouth, your teeth will become misaligned and crooked. Also, overusing the buccinator muscle can make your cheeks look puffier. Step 2. What actually works? In this part of Nakamura's journey, I will teach you how to keep your tongue posture correctly, how you can grow your masseter muscle, and all the practical things that you can do to get a better jawline, a reduced double chin, and less puffy cheeks. Mewing. Mewing is simple. First, say the letter N. N. And remember where the tip of your tongue touches on the roof of your mouth when you say the letter N. Now close your mouth and keep your tongue posture in the exact same position. Swallow 3 times with your mouth closed and you will feel your tongue stick to the roof of your mouth. If you are doing it right, your double chin should look less noticeable instantly. Mewing is simply the natural way you are supposed to rest your tongue in your mouth. How long do you have to do mewing? Forever. Because your tongue is naturally designed to rest in your mouth like this. Just because no one taught you how to keep your tongue placed correctly in your mouth, you never thought about it. When your tongue stays firmly on the sutures on the roof of your mouth, over time, your maxilla can move upward and forward. At the same time, your tongue pushes your teeth outward while the buccinator muscles push inward. The balance keeps your teeth aligned. Also, your double chin becomes less visible when your tongue posture is correct. Nasal breathing. Breathing through your nose is very important. Nasal breathing widens the face, brings the jaw forward, and improves overall facial structure and posture. If you don't breathe through your nose, you are breathing through your mouth. Mouth breathing can cause many problems such as dry mouth, bad breath, gum disease, cavities, adenoid feces. So always breathe through your nose. Hard chewing. Modern food is way too soft. Harder foods help develop the masseter muscle and facial bones. Our ancestors always chewed hard food, and even today, tribal communities that eat harder foods often have more defined jawline. Chewing hard food increases the size of your masseter muscles, which makes your jawline look sharper. To grow your masseter muscle, you can try putting 4 to 5 pieces of sugar-free gum in your mouth and chewing them for about 30 minutes a day, reducing buccinator muscle size. Take smaller bites when you eat. Don't stuff food in your mouth because that activates and stretches the buccinator muscle. Always take small bites and try chewing with all your teeth. When swallowing, try to use your tongue instead of your facial muscles. Try creating minimal expression on your face when eating. Nakamura found from his research that most people are born with genetic potential for an attractive face. Because of some bad habits and mistakes they make, they never reach their genetics' full potential or have the attractive face they could have had. If you can fix those habits that quietly ruins your genetic potential, you will be able to get the most attractive face ever. Step 3. Habits that quietly ruined Nakamura's jawline. Mouth breathing. Mouth breathing can cause the lower jaw to move backward and make the face asymmetric. So don't breathe through your mouth even in your sleep. If you mouth breathe for 8 hours a night for years, it can negatively impact your jawline and face shape. To ensure nasal breathing in your sleep, use medical paper tape on your lips at night to keep your mouth closed and breathe through your nose while sleeping. Incorrect swallowing. If you don't swallow using your tongue properly, you are probably using facial muscles like the buccinator muscle instead. Over time, it will give you rounder or puffier cheeks. So if you don't want puffy cheeks, you have to swallow properly using your tongue. Poor tongue posture. Many celebrities with attractive faces inherently have proper tongue posture. Whether they do it consciously or unconsciously, they have been practicing mewing since childhood. Mewing might feel overwhelming at the beginning, but if you do mewing consciously for 1 week, you will soon start mewing unconsciously. By the end of 2 or 3 weeks, you will not even have to put any conscious effort into mewing.